One of our top picks in London, located in London, within a 7-minute walk of London Eye and a 12-minute walk of Big Ben, LCS Southbank Apartments offers accommodations with free Wi-Fi. Each unit is fitted with a balcony offering city views, a flat-screen TV, a well-fitted kitchen and a private bathroom with free toiletries. A dishwasher, an oven and microwave are also provided, as well as a coffee machine and a kettle. A tablet is available in the apartment. It contains house manuals, guides and maps of the local area. Houses of Parliament is 0.6 miles from the apartment. London City Airport is 6.8 miles away. Lambeth is a great choice for travellers interested in tourist attractions, city walks and history. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.